Throw away the city lights, throw away the cars. Give me a clear night underneath all the stars. I don't want no concrete jungles, no suburbia. I just want somewhere that the blue skies are. So come with me to a place so far, where the palm trees dance and sway. So run with me. If we leave right now, we might make it in time. The sunset is fading, but the light's not gone. The ocean waves have just begun. The water is calling, the night is young. So if I lay down, will you come? So if I lay down, will you come? So if I lay down, will you come?
Never did like coming up this tower.
Oh, Marielle.
I wanted to see how you were faring up here.
Oh, very good. It's a beautiful space. Thank you so much for letting me use it.
Of course, it wasn't being very much used anyway, so I'm happy someone has put a bit of life back into it again.
Of course. I'm grateful to be able to be the one to do so. Actually, while you're here, I had a bit of an inquiry for you.
Okay.
At the last time we were all gathered, I recall someone saying something about you doing fencing. You said you're
I do, yes.
a swordsman. Is there any way that I would be able to tag along? I think it was incredibly interesting, and I'd love to learn. Or just watch.
Really?
Mhm.
I mean, I always encourage those who would like to watch. However, I heard that you got an injury, and I would hate to make it worse. I would just
Oh.
assume you were just doing some sort of stretches up here to keep the muscles warm, but I don't want
Yes.
to have you hurt yourself further. I mean, I wouldn't, as a beginner, you wouldn't get anything particularly strenuous anyway, but still.
I do appreciate that. I got a bit twisted during the game. But I have danced on worse. So I do believe I would be all right. But if, that would be your recommendation, then I would be happy to sit out and kind of just watch.
Well,
the first time.
we can certainly teach you a few steps, of course. A similar positioning to, well, ballet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Similar mannerisms, just different feet positioning. And, the holding of a rapier, of course.
Of course, yes.
But no, that is something I could certainly do for you. However, I don't know how well this will go. If this is your you wouldn't be able to particularly while you're certainly flexible here, it wouldn't be as safe.
Mm-hmm.
However, I think.
Well,
hold on. Let me just. Yes, I believe I still have some of my older fencing attire. If you would like to take that, it's a bit, how you say, worn, and there's some creases, some stitches from past duels, but it should fit you.
That would be wonderful. You're very kind to offer it to me. Thank you.
Certainly.
And of course,
Would
I
you
would
like
love to be safe.
to come down now? We're not that far from my room, and we can see if it fits. Otherwise, I do know how to do some stitch work, and I think you also mentioned that you can do some, so we can always just adjust it.
I would love to come down now.
Okay. Follow me then. You can just follow me in here.
All right. Your room is very lovely.
Oh, thank you. I have some of my old fencing gear in the bottom drawer if you would like to see if you can adjust it. I will just turn around and give you privacy because there's not much in here.
Okay. How does that look?
Aw, you look adorable. I feel like an older sister. This isn't like my older sister moment I never had. No, I think it fits. I mean, yes, that's more worn than I remember it being, but it is what it is when you're fighting with the Morrison Blanc.
I can imagine.
And also my father.
Oh?
Well, he's the one that taught me how to duel in the first place, and he's quite good.
That must have been of an incredibly good bonding experience. My father is a hunter, so he'd take me hunting.
Oh. Well, there you go. Similar, how you say a fatherly... I would have said I didn't want to repeat bonding activities. It's the only word I can think of right now, but yes.
No, that's understandable.
But yeah, as long as you don't mind that it's a little bit rough around the edges, that it should still fit.
Oh, not really. I
All
don't
right.
mind.
Good. And I'll be wearing that same type of outfit, so we'll be matching.
Perfect. I can't wait. And the guys, the princes, will they also be in similar attire, I assume?
Well, that would depend on them. Usually Amaris will just fence in his regular clothes, just because that's just how Amaris is. His clothes are pretty sturdy anyway. I believe, though I could obviously be very incorrect, that he makes his outfits a bit denser on purpose. Sort of the state of, in case something happens, I'm a little more protective at a moment's notice.
Of course.
Sort of mentality. Blanc, I don't know what outfit he'll come in. Although I will say to my dear Blanc, he is setting himself up for failure in our upcoming fencing session.
Oh? Why is that?
The last time that we spoke of fencing, he made a bet, which of course I countered because I knowing his skills, that he would be able to take on both a Lavuk and Namaris in a 2-versus-1 duel. And I appropriately laughed in his face and said, "You gonna put money on it?" And he said, "Sure." And he tried to start with 5, and I'm like, "No, you were so confident." So I know going into this that I'm going to be getting 50 gold because there was no way he can win, not even just against one of them. Well, maybe a Lavuk, because I don't know how much of a fencer Lavuk is, but he will never ever win against Amaris.
They both are quite heftier men. Taller
yes,
and
quite.
Stronger.
Blanc is quick,
True.
but it's not going to work. So I'll be very happy to be receiving the end of the deal. So I assume the 3 of them will be there. I don't know who else may just wander in, but
that will be incredibly interesting to witness, certainly.
Yes, very much so.
I also don't know how much Lavuk fences. He's my dance partner, so I know him quite well. Though he's never really talked about fencing, so
he never really participated in
I'm
the
not
past, or very infrequently. So I honestly doubt he would come. But even if he did, I still don't
Not
think
quite
Blanc would
confident.
do particular.
Not quite confident.
I love Blanc. I do. He is
Of
my
course.
closest friend. But his strengths do not lie in fencing.
Mhm.
So.
Yes, I know him briefly, unfortunately. So I wouldn't be able
he'll
to
be able to
say
at least
so.
get a bit of a enjoyment as he is put in his place, as the term goes, against Amaris, because that is absolutely what will be happening.
Yes,
Without a doubt.
it seems so. I also know Amaris very briefly, so this
Without a
will-
doubt, I don't believe anyone in this castle could defeat Amaris
Mm.
in any sort of duel of any variety.
Oh,
Unless it's archery, and then I would assume the Merrymen would definitely overpower Amaris. But in any sort of other form of combat, I'm genuinely unsure if anyone could even come close.
well, that's impressive. Certainly.
It is, but it's also a little unfortunate considering he doesn't do much else besides train and learn how to lead a kingdom. So,
Oh,
but
he doesn't
duties
have
is
too
as
many
duties does.
fun
He is
activities.
the-
Doesn't really have too many hobbies.
He is the first of our generation. He will more than likely become the first of our generation to lead. And so he takes it very seriously. Myself and Blanc came less than a year after. And so it is us three that will be taking over next, presumably. But Amaris, as the first, takes it very seriously. Incredibly seriously. Which I respect and also feel a bit of pity for. Because I don't know how many proper connections he has.
That's understandable. Certainly unfortunate. Absolutely. But I am glad that you three at least have each other.
Yes,
That
quite.
hopefully will be a connection that lasts quite a long time.
Yes,
course.
myself and Blanc have been correspondent since we were very small, as his kingdom is the next one over. And at least this kingdom's correspondence with Amaris's family is also close as per my relationship with Estella. So this trio is at the very least kingdom-wide very close-knit, even if we would like Amaris to participate more, if that makes sense. But that's why we encourage these fencing outings.
That makes sense. And honestly, incredibly kind of you to kind of want to break him out of the stoic shell, I suppose, the stoicism and formalities.
Yeah.
Have a bit of fun. It can be incredibly difficult.
We all could use a bit of amusement. And especially considering the severity of the situation that we are all present in, it is important to have that perspective to go towards with.
I suppose so. Some people do certainly take the wish more seriously than others. So I do suppose that's true.
But yes, you can either leave that here or you can take that with you.
I was going to ask if you mind if I just took it with me.
Oh, certainly. That is one of my old ones, and I have extras of my updated ones. So you are free to keep it if you so wish.
I just didn't want to bother you again.
No, certainly. You are free to keep it as you so wish. And I do highly suggest wearing those because they're a lot more comfortable than our dresses.
That's true. Dresses can
They're
be a
so
bit.
much easier to walk in. Oh my goodness. I get so jealous of these men being able to just wear these outfits on the daily.
That aren't layered in.
Oh my, the amount of
7
cloth is
bodices.
suffocating.
It's a bit. Yes.
It's ridiculous. This dress is fine. Would I rather wear anything else? Yes. Yes, I
Mhm.
would.
That is the unfortunate reality of being a host, certainly, and royalty,
Host
of course.
and a royal and the next in line. It's just as you are
Fair.
as well. So,
Yes,
you know, it's
I certainly.
it is
know the
how it
feeling.
is.
Of course. Well, I won't bother you any longer. Thank you again so much for being as kind as you are. I suppose I don't know when or where, but
There
suppose you
should
can
be
send for me.
one a week from tomorrow. It'll be the next one.
All right, perfect. Sounds good to me. I
All
will
right.
mark it on my calendar. Thank you again
Quite,
very much, Marielle. Have a very good
Of course. You as well.
Just so I don't have to spoon feed information multiple times.
night. I hope I'm not lost. Oh,
Oh my god.
hello,
Oh, hello.
Alexander,
Annika?
Marielle, Blanc, Morris.
Is Lavu
Oh.
coming?
No, he was busy.
I didn't think he would be.
Probably with my sister.
Yeah. I think we're still waiting on what? Oh, yep, there they are.
Oh.
No.
Oh,
Speak with
Bellows!
Neville, I think the term is.
Hello.
Hello.
All right. Unexpected, but welcome anyway.
Yeah. Welcome everyone. If you're wondering, we were not able to use the usual fencing area due to it being occupied, so we're using this area instead.
Fair enough.
We'll be doing some sparring, some dueling because I made a bet.
I heard.
Yeah, and I'm gonna win this time.
No, you won't.
Yes, I will.
No, you won't. But I will see a lovely duel.
I am good at fencing, Marielle.
Well, I'll be gaining 50 gold by the end of this, so.
No, I'll be gaining 50 gold by the end of this.
Okay, we'll see.
Yes, welcome. Okay. Yeah.
I suppose
Alright.
where
How
would
does this
you
work? Who's
like
going?
us, Marielle?
What's up?
Where would you like us?
Well, it would depend on if these two want to get their duel out of the way first, or...
No, that might last a while. So let's do some. Yeah. What?
Are you sure about that, bud?
Yeah, like you know, like our duel could last hours, days, even.
Mars.
Yes. Why are you laughing like that, best friend? Do you
Because
not
I
have
love you,
faith
but
in me?
Blanc.
not against Tamaris.
Blanc, look at me.
Yes, Amars.
You
Wait.
won't last long.
Sure.
I think you will both do wonderfully.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
Annika. Thank you. But yeah, sparring.
So, are y'all gonna go, or are we just gonna keep standing around?
I suppose we
weird.
might as well get out of the way.
Fine. All right.
See how this goes.
Yeah. Do you yield?
Not quite just yet. Do you yield?
I yield.
So, I believe I said it wouldn't take too long.
Well, it was a little longer than I anticipated, but not by
I
much.
was a little bit longer than usual.
Actually entertaining to watch.
I told you it would
Good.
be.
Good form, Amaris.
You as well.
You both did great.
Granted, in fencing you normally don't bash on the person.
You know
It's
how
more of
how it works with us, though, Blanc. This isn't anything unusual.
It's more of a.
Yeah, we kind of
it's
go a
like
little bit
hammer.
harder than regular fencing.
Is
You
that
treat it like a
allowed?
joust.
It's fun. I don't know what to say.
It is a
Ah,
bit
but
more
yes, good job.
entertaining. Yes, you as well.
Anyway, since
Can I have my
bet
money, please?
is a bet.
Yep. Thank you.
You actually made a bet.
Yes, I made a
What's even worse is he thought he could go against you and Levouk.
Okay,
at the same
Levouk,
time.
I think
To
he
be
could have
fair.
beaten Levouk.
Levouk, I
Levouk,
could have, yeah.
probably, but at the same time with Amaris, no way.
Fair.
No way.
I need water after that.
To take a few deep breaths.
I always do.
It was incredibly impressive. Good job, both of you.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, no, that was much more than Blanc has improved since the last time we dueled.
Is it
Good job, bud.
usually that quick? That fast pace?
Yes.
You're good.
What?
Oh my god, I had a crush on you.
What?
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 I'm sorry, I don't anymore. I just,
Excuse me? What?
that was,
What did
Okay.
you say?
Oh my goodness
I
gracious.
just realized I think I had a, yeah.
You had a crush on me.
Starting to very coming here now.
This was not what I was expecting.
Oh my gosh.
Marielle, help me.
I don't know what to do about this, bud. All I know is that your standards have gone down with time.
No, they have not.
Listen, I think I am in full right to argue about standards, but you know what? It's okay, bud. I told you things, realizations happen at different points. It's okay.
I don't think this is a good realization time.
It's a little awkward, but it's all right. Don't worry too much about it. Honestly,
It's fine.
I don't know. I
Obviously
think
shocking, but
I was gonna say I don't think Amaris is particularly offended by it. It's just surprising.
no, I'm not.
Yeah, not
yet.
not anymore. I'm
Mm.
prefacing that, not anymore.
Making that incredibly clear.
Yeah. Well,
I mean,
he,
you made
he,
it
he
clear,
would
so
want to make it very clear, considering.
That is true.
Considering.
Mm.
You know, maybe I'll duel you next.
Well, do you want to duel me next? All right.
Okay.
Come on. You really want to?
This is more chaotic than I was expecting.
You're
This is
right. We
normal.
should be You're right. We should be
Yes, this is
trained.
quite normal.
Yeah. All right.
They're on.
Grab a sparring sword. People.
Oh, all right.
No. Annika's just watching right now.
Fine.
She still has an injury from the games, so
Oh,
she's just
yeah,
gonna be
that's
watching
fair.
today.
Injury.
That's fair. Okay. That's fair.
Yes.
Thalos, how much experience do you have with fencing, if any?
Vague, but from what I've seen, it should be easy to grasp.
Okay.
I wouldn't say. I mean, wouldn't say easy, but yeah, you can learn. Anyone can learn.
I'm assuming you don't have a sword of your own.
Oh no, I do. You know,
Oh.
just in case.
Okay.
Man came
Nice.
prepared. Okay. Do you
Mhm.
want to do more of a, well, traditional fence? Or do you want to do something more akin to what you just watched?
Whatever's in favor, I assume. I mean, I don't mind getting hurt every once in a while. Right, Alex?
Mm.
Right.
How-
Why don't you put your
Then-
money where your mouth is? Let's see what you can do.
Why don't you fence me then?
Well.
That's some good sportsmanship, Alexander.
I don't believe we've had the pleasure before.
Ah, yes, Princess Marielle of this kingdom.
Thalos. Pleasure.
I won't be going easy on you.
Good to know.
Huh. Huh.
Ugh.
Huh.
Ugh. Ugh.
Huh. Huh.
Ugh.
Huh.
Ugh.
Okay.
Thalos, you did
Good match.
wonderfully.
That was pretty good. That was pretty good.
As it was.
As for you,
Pathetic, really.
Oh, shush.
would you like to join?
I don't play with toys.
These
Ugh.
these are sharpened swords, Alexander.
And
You know, okay.
Mm.
I won't argue. with
Mm. Yeah, see, Annika, this is not the stuff that you would be doing, especially as a beginner.
I can see
Oh,
that.
yeah,
I
no.
don't think I'd
No,
be
you
able
would
to
not.
keep up.
nope, not.
Nope. No, I would never do
No.
that.
You.
Mm-mm.
You start off with basics. Eventually, you can
Mhm.
get to that point. Hopefully.
We've just been doing it for
Hmm.
a long time.
Of course, I'm happy to start a bit slowly.
Yeah.
All right, now we could just go into some more of the traditional stuff so you could watch.
Hmm.
Yeah.
So who's next?
Well, I mean, you haven't gotten onto the ring yet, so
Me?
yeah. Why not?
I don't fence.
It could be fun.
You like fighting?
Imagine the person you're fighting with the sword is Ace.
I have a new target in mind, but like I said, I don't play with swords.
Fair enough.
Well, what
Each
if,
their own.
you know, one day you need to use one? You never know.
Or need to know how to disarm a sword from someone.
I mean, it wouldn't be that hard. I just charge them.
Okay,
Charge them.
theoretically, what if your wolf strength was taken away?
Ironically, be a blessing.
Oh,
What? So, play with the sword and against who?
whoever.
Whoever you choose.
You're staring pretty heavily at Thalos. Although
think-
Thalos did
Something happened?
just do one.
Yeah, all right.
Let me think. Fine, if we're just learning or whatever. Make it Annika.
What?
Okay.
What?
If we're just showing basics anyway, he's not gonna fight. That's fine.
Yeah, there's no fighting involved for basic stuff.
We're just gonna do like stances. Holding the sword.
All right.
You'll be fine. I'll just
It'll be all right.
block or something.
Lovely.
All right. Suppose I can do that.
All right. Well,
Just go grab one of them.
Yep, we have a number of sparring. Don't worry, none of these are.
They all
These ones
have
are dull.
the rubber size at the end, so it's all right.
Is
quite
there
dull.
something particular about?
No,
any
just
of them?
choose any. You can just choose any of them.
It's just preference. I would probably recommend this one on the end. A little bit smaller, a little bit lighter, easier to hold.
Oh, they chose the same one.
Yeah,
Hmm.
it's just, you know,
This feels wrong.
it's all right. Try new things.
Mhm.
Think of it as an extension of your arm.
Ugh. Feels limiting.
Where would you like me to stand?
You can just stand right there.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
It'll be alright.
And that just about covers the basic principles for fencing beginners. I know I rambled on a bit, but I hope it makes sense.
I think so. I need to practice some of those stances and hits before actually putting it together, though.
Oh, yeah, of course. Here, why don't you advance 2 times, close the distance to Alexander. You too, buddy, old pal.
Don't say that. I'm not moving. Come at me with what you got.
Fair enough. Annika, you will need to advance farther forward as a result. When you're about 2 sword distances away, stop and stand like this.
Alright. This isn't so bad. What comes next?
You want to try your first thrust.
Like this.
Alexander, your goal is to parry the sword. When Annika thrusts, you want to deflect it so that the tip of her rapier does not touch your body.
This is so fucking stupid.
Just try, Alexander. Please?
Fine, fine. Let's continue.
Annika, try again.
Good! Now the two of you just go back and forth a couple of times with it.
You're catching on quickly, Annika. You have a beautiful form. Why don't we try to do it a little faster now?
Sure thing.
Uh-oh.
Annika? You,
Ow.
Oh, you okay, hon?
Okay.
Annika? You good?
I'm okay. Good
You
job,
alright?
Alexander.
Oh, yeah, that was actually
You
pretty
did
good
well.
for a first timer. I won't lie.
Yeah, you did pretty well.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, you-
Well, thank you.
You could probably take on a Morris.
Bonk.
I don't know if that's true. But I appreciate the
I'm trying-
confidence.
I'm trying to hype you up.
Thank you. I
Aw.
really appreciate it. Oh, thank you.
No problem.
You-
my,
You did well.
that was
thank
good.
you.
Dirty move
you-
tripping them, though.
You as well.
Dirty move.
I think that was just reflexes,
Oh, okay. then
muscle
not.
memory.
Okay.
Instinct.
I don't think he did it. He wouldn't do that on purpose, I don't think.
Okay. Then not dirty move.
Definitely.
Muscle
well.
memory gets into your brain.
Yeah.
But no, that was
Well,
fun.
Yeah, I would say that was a pretty good session today.
Mm-hmm.
But
Yeah.
it was.
Next one will probably be more training instead of outright sparring. But yeah.
Well, this is the first one we've had in almost a year, so, you know.
Yeah.
Really?
It's true. It's been a while.
True. True. Yeah.
It's
But
been
yeah.
that long?
Yeah.
Yeah. Unfortunately. But yeah. Good work, everyone.
Would you like your uniform back?
I told you can keep it, hun. It's fine.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
So,
You did well.
you did. You weren't so bad yourself.
Well, I don't know if I would say that, but thank you.
Look, Annika, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to push you.
Well, thank you. It's all right. Of course, Marielle said it was a bit rough, so I suppose I should have expected more of that. I'm not hurt or anything. So,
That's good. I wouldn't have wanted to hurt you. Hmm.
Thank you for apologizing. I'll see you at our next session.
Yeah, for sure.
Have a good night, Alexander.
You too. Take care.